Good morning, students. Now we are getting into your programming. Simple programs will start very simple, not that difficult. Please focus nicely, okay? It's not that difficult. See properly, okay? This will also be coming for your test and your exams. Please see nicely, okay? Now, question is write a program to calculate and print the area of a rectangle. Now, I'm going to write programs. Okay, with this program, we'll be writing in your computers at your homes. You can do in a software known as BlueJ, or you can do when we get into labs. When you start our schools, we can do these programs. Okay, so basically, how we write these programs, we'll see now. Okay, what are the basic structure of writing these programs? See, what a question telling. Write a program to calculate and print the area of a rectangle given area equals to length into breadth. A is L into B. To calculate the area, so first of all we start with class. Class rectangle. Rectangle here is the class name. Now class name this rectangle, we can take any name according to the question. I thought of taking rectangle because we're talking about a rectangle. So you can take a class name shape, you can take ABC, whatever names you can take. In this case we have taken rectangle. So we have a class name here rectangle, okay. Then we have opening braces. Then we write void show. And inside the void show bracket I have after void show I have mentioned one small brackets, a pair of small brackets I have put. Now inside that we have to write the parameters. Remember when we have discussed about parameters in that polymorphism, here this parameters what you write is the input. Like for calculating area, what do we need to have? For finding the area of the rectangle I need to have length and breadth, that is L and B. So you have to write inside this one, we'll write int L comma int B. Okay, understood? Int Y length and breadth can be decimal value also. If you want you can write double also, or you can write int. Okay, int is for whole number values. So length and breadth will be int. So int LB, int L and int B is for length and breadth. Now calculate area. So int A for finding the area, and A equals to L into B. L and B will multiply. That was the formula for calculating area. And then we'll print system dot out dot print. We use a statement system dot out dot print. So whatever you calculate we have printed. System dot out dot print. Whatever you will calculate you will print it, and then we close the two braces. Clear? This concludes your whole program, okay, of finding the area of a rectangle. Okay, understood all of you? Now here if you see what happens when this program is run by the computer, when first of all it is compiled and look for errors. You have done this in class 8, okay, how to do little bit of them you have done in class 8. Now if you find first of all it will ask for length and breadth. If you take length as L as 5, B as first it will ask for L and B, L 5 and B 6 if you have taken. So how it will work? First it will ask for L and B values when the program runs in the bracket of void. So whatever you have mentioned that the user will enter. In void so I have written int L and int B, so I have to enter int mean your whole number value. So whole number value, think of whole number values 5, 6, 10, 12, 20, 50, all these are whole number values. So L and B have to enter. Since it is in the bracket, the user will enter. So L and B, let's take two values, let's say take 5 and 10. After taking the length and breadth value, we will calculate the area. Area is L into B. So A will be equals to 5 into 10. So it will become 50. Okay, so if the user enters 5 and 10 as L and B value, the value of area is 50. That is also int value to be printed at the last. So at the last 50 will be seen on the screen when we write system dot out dot print. After writing this statement system dot out dot print, inside the bracket whatever we see will be printed on the screen. Clear? So 50 will be printed on the screen after calculating the area. This is how a simple program on your Java we have done. Clear? Understood all of you? Clear? We take one more example. Same here, we'll change the formula. Instead of finding area, we'll calculate, let's say, simple interest. So I've changed the question now. Write a program to calculate and print the simple interest given SI equals to PRT by 100. Now I'll change according to the question. First of all, what should the class name be? We can take the class name as program. If you don't see here simple interest calculate, so we will not take simple interest, or you can take also if you want any name you can take. If you want to take simple interest, you can take simple interest. So we wrote class simple interest. Now in the void show, what things I have to do? I have to bring changes in those places. I am going to rub it first, okay, so that it not be confusing for you all. So basically this much portion will be there. Now inside the void show, now to change according to the question. For finding simple interest, what are the things we need to know? We need to know principal, rate and time. Principal, rate and time can be double. Principal can be double, rate can be double, time can be in int if you want. You can take double, all of them double also you can take. So double p comma double r comma double t you will take. So here double p comma double r comma double t we have taken. These are the things, principal, rate and time will be taken from the user. Okay. After writing this, taking the input, we have to calculate. What do we need to calculate? Simple interest. So at the end the simple interest will be coming as a decimal answer, so we have to take it double SI. Now we have to calculate SI. SI will be equals to PRT by 100. You know how to write this in Java? We write SI equals to P into R into T whole divided by 100. How we mention is C. This is how you have calculated simple interest SI, and then we printed system.out.print SI. Clear? Understood all of you? So this is how you can solve writing programs. Okay, one last example I am showing, a little difficult one. Now see, the question is asking write a program to calculate and print the value of z given z equals to root under ab plus half a cube. Z is a variable simple, and z can be calculated on when we know the values of a and b. If I know a and b, I can calculate the value of z by putting, if I put the values of a and b in that equation, the z value will get calculated. So the input or things which I need to ask from user is the value of a and b. So I am asking a and b values, so in the bracket of void, so I will be writing int a comma int b. Now even if we take int values, the value of z which will be getting you at the last will be a decimal value, because 1 by 2 we have. We define the root. The answer of chances of getting your answer of z will be a decimal value, so we have to take double. When we have decimal we take double, when we have whole number we take int. Okay, so double, you can take double z. Now how will write the expression? Z will be equals to math dot sqrt a into b plus 1 by 2 into math dot power a comma 3. So z will be equals to method sqrt a into b plus 1 by 2 into method power a comma 3. Clear? This is how you write. At the last we printed system.print z. So this is how you write simple programs in Java. This program, if you write it down, we will get the value of z from the program when we compile it. Clear? Understood? Thank you. See you in the next video.